Hey everybody, happy Friday. Sean coming at you from High Level. So today it is a small but mighty enhancement. So let's talk about user.calendar link. So for those of you who know what this is, it's one of the many custom field values. I'm going to try not to make the microphone go crazy like I normally do. Okay, so down here, if I go in and I can go to the special merge fields, and one of them is user.calendar link. Now, for those of you who have been with High Level for a while, you know that this basically takes the calendar link assigned to the user and puts it into whatever, right? The SMS message, the email, whatever. But how does that all work again? And so what we do is normally we go over to settings and we go into my staff, and let's take our friend Canyon Tester here. And if you can see here under user info, we scroll down, and what calendar is assigned to that user is normally right here in the dropdown, except there's been a limitation for almost ever now where you can't put any team calendars in here. But today, that's right, you can now select a team calendar in addition to an individual calendar. So what exactly does that mean? Let's take a quick example look here. So if we go over to our calendar section, bloop, you can see over here on the left-hand side, we've got the normal calendars. And by the way, all of this is going to get merged nicely into one here this quarter. So then this is actually kind of the start of that. But we have the normal calendars over on the left-hand side and the team calendars in the middle. So we've got Barbershop and team calendar. Now notice, so under Barbershop, there is a individual calendar called Hot Shave. Now, what we want to do here in this case is assign Hot Shave to an individual user so that their user.calendar link is the Hot Shave calendar. So here's what we do. We go over to my staff, and the first thing we need to make sure is that, let's say I want to use Canyon for this. I'm going to go ahead and make sure Canyon is on the team. So go into team info, and I want to make sure Canyon Tester is part of the team for that team calendar, which he is, right? Check. All right, cool. Now, I noticed there's a small little bug here. We're going to fix it by tomorrow, but if you have to reload the screen after you do this, but basically you go into team management, you go find Canyon Tester here, and then we'll go over, boop, we'll hit edit, and now under user info, if we scroll down, what we're going to see is right there, boom, Hot Shave and Haircut, because he's on both of those, are now available. And so I've gone ahead and assigned the Hot Shave calendar to him. And then what we'll notice is that, let's say we have a particular workflow. Let's go take an automation here. And you wanted to say, hey, Sean, go ahead and sign up on my my calendar here. Like you register a new lead. You want to send out, for example, let me just put in like my calendar link is user.calendar link, right? Now, if we go in, let me make sure I've got this as allow multiple, save. Okay. Now, if we go in and we add Sean, or our test guy, let's see here, test to this workflow. All right. Hit run test. Okay. So as usual, I've already added him once, but I've added him to the workflow. You go into the execution log. Okay. We can see the SMS got sent. Fantastic. We back out of the workflow. We go to the conversation screen and we go under all here. And here's Testy McTesterson. They just got the text, my calendar link is, and you can see if I click on it, what's going to happen here is it's going to go to Hot Shave. Now, some of you might be thinking, if you're following along here, wait, but this is a team calendar. There's a team assigned to it, blah, blah, blah. What's going to happen? But because it got that user calendar link, it's going to assign this appointment to Canyon Tester in this case, because it specifically came from that user.calendar link. So it knows that it belongs to Canyon. It knows we want to assign this particular calendar to him. So anything booked here will automatically go to him. You can kind of see the link structure is a little different down here than it might normally be. And you can see we threw the user ID in the URL, and that's how it knows. So you can still use the team calendar the way you'd want to use it, which is in a round robin situation, and you can also use it as an assigned calendar. So I know that's a lot to probably take into account, but I wanted to kind of walk through it. Maybe slow this video down, do it a couple of times, but ultimately at the end of the day, this is a big feature if you've been waiting for it. So I just definitely wanted to get it out to everybody who's using that user.calendar link feature and wanted to use it with team calendar. So now that that's out, one quick thing, I'll give all of you who got this far in the video a hint. Next week, we have a big release coming out, and it starts with a B. I'm not going to tell you what it is. You're going to have to wait and check it out when it happens, but I'm super excited about it. It's going to be awesome. So anyways, I hope all of you had an awesome Friday, and I will see you first bright and early on Monday next week for some more awesome updates. Thanks a lot. Talk to you later. Bye.